All right, for all those later in life lovebirds that are thinking about getting married again, what's the best way for them to handle their finances?
Well, you know, I have said many times, why get married in the first place? From a financial point of view, you begin to pay a marriage tax. Everybody goes crazy. Who's going to inherit whose stuff? So maybe you can just shack up. So that's one possibility.
It really is financially complicated.
It is. It's very complicated. But let's say you want to go ahead and re-enlist and get married. All right. So number one, it wouldn't be a bad thing to have a nuptial agreement. Now, notice I didn't say a prenuptial agreement. These agreements don't have to be signed before marriage. That's generally done when somebody has a way different amount of money than you, and it's a protective kind of thing. And it could be less than lovey-dovey. You can have a postnuptial agreement where you've been living together a little bit now, and you know how you want to handle your finances, and you make an agreement together. So that's a great possibility. But usually you have yours, mine, and ours when it comes to that. Each one keeps certain things independent that they've created from a first marriage or the first part of their life, and they merge and joint certain other things for the convenience. And it can work extremely well. And luckily the law, this is a case where the law allows you really to be your own person. Your wills can say anything. They can be contractual, where one cannot change a will on the other person. You can have a contract with a will. Many people don't know that. And they worry that they've made a deal and the other person will make a change and they won't even know it. No, you have a contractual will. Or you can be totally autonomous and you each have your own inheritance scheme for both sides of the family.
Yeah, it's so important because I've heard so many issues where parents remarried and then the parent died, the step parent now had all the money and everything went to the step siblings.
Right.
Right.
So that's sit down with your trust and estates attorney. I was don't hold it against me, but I was a lawyer for 35 years, and I can tell you that trusts, wills, powers of attorney, fiduciary documents, all work perfectly. You just have to pay attention.
Yes. All right. Complicated, but doable. Thank you. If you like what you just saw, we have many more videos with Adriane Berg and with more experts at bottomlineinc.com. And do me a favor, do that social thing, share it, tell your friends, tell your family, come to bottomlineinc.com.